Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist of my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and if you have watched my previous videos on USD CAD, then hopefully you can easily recognize these lines because I have been keeping this setup for last couple of days, and we also have received many opportunities as well. When market was in this particular position, I clearly mentioned that we have a good opportunity to buy. Why? Let me clear again. So first and foremost, I would like to talk about the level of 1.2610. This level is a support from the weekly chart. If I take you to the weekly chart and if I remove the drawings here, and you can see that 1.2610 is acting as a support for the last couple of weeks. Previously, the same level was acting as a resistance, but as we all know, support becomes resistance and resistances become support, and right now 1.2610 is the support for the market. So apart from this support level, we also have this trend line acting as a dynamic support for the market. If I zoom out the chart, you can see that this trend line is acting or providing support to the market whenever market has witnessed selling pressure. See, so this is a valid support for the market, and right now you can see that market is almost approaching the support here. So the level or the position, the spot in the market that I have marked with the help of this blue arrow is a golden spot, because in this particular position market has got dual support. The support from the trend line plus support from the weekly chart. Therefore, these two things make this present portion of the market very reliable position to go for a buy order. And if we look at the overall trend of the market here, then and we can clearly see that USD CAD is an uptrend for last couple of days, for a couple of weeks. And as we all know, the basic rule of the market says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So USD CAD is an uptrend, so this makes this particular portion of the market very lucrative for us. But on the other hand, I would like to discuss one more thing as well, and that is, you can see that market has made this high. After that, market has also made another highs. Okay, but what do we need to focus here is that market is unable to cross the previous highs, or in simple words, market is making lower highs. Okay, market is making lower highs, and whenever we get lower highs in the market, it implies, it signifies the presence or the presence of sellers in the market. So yes, no doubt USD CAD is an uptrend, it is taking support and bouncing from this level, but we also cannot deny the fact that market is unable to cross the previous highs, which clearly implies that sellers are coming to the market, and slowly they are pressurizing the market. And one more thing, whenever you'll find market testing a level too much, if you find market testing a level too much, the particular level weakens, the particular level loses its strength, and market has been testing 1.2610 level for quite some time, so which makes the level quite doubtful for us. Okay, previously this was a very strong support, but right now we cannot consider this as a very strong support because market has been testing this level for quite some time, and there is a possibility of a breakout towards the downside. So there is a possibility market may break this support as well, because market is constantly forming lower highs and market is testing this level for quite some time. Therefore, my dear friends, please be very careful. Okay, please be very careful. and do not initiate buy order until and unless market successfully bounces from this level. If all, just buy here only if you see a good hammer pattern, or if you see a bullish engulfing pattern on the particular support, then only you'll get the confirmation that yes, 1.2610 is still a valid support for the market. If you do not see, do not buy, do not take any risk, and if possible try to consult the chart of DXY, because it has a relation with the USD CAD. Whenever in general, okay, in general we see whenever US dollar goes up, USD CAD also goes up. When dollar goes down, USD CAD also goes down. It also has a correlation with the crude oil as well. I do not want to make things complicated right now. Okay, just keep in mind. Okay, just keep in mind when you are buying. Okay, when you are buying, just you are looking at the chart of DXY once, and do not buy here. If you do not buy here until and unless you get proper confirmation in the form of a hammer or bullish engulfing pattern, and also use stop loss below this level. Below this level use stop loss, and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's my request. And if you find market breaking this level, okay, listen to me carefully, if you find market breaking this level or going downwards, don't do anything. I'll be coming down on Monday and I'll tell you what should be your next trading strategy for USD CAD. Do not take any impulsive trade that may end up in loss. Hopefully you're getting my point. So this is it. And my dear friends, last month I have launched the Pro Trader membership program, where I share the best trading opportunities on a market. If you're interested, just go to the Pro Trader section here. You'll find all the information. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.